Tiger Bites 1-minute highlights.
There's a bullet, and they might get a double play, and they do. He was pitching himself a pretty good ball game. There you go. Kevin Rand came out. Must be some blister because there was something on the ball, so that had to be a line drive to left field, and it's going to drop. Base hit. This might get 2 runs in. Throw to the plate, not in time. Ball high, runner goes on a delayed steal, throw down to second. He is going to be out at second base.
Good job from Salto-Amakia there.
There should be a double play, and it is. The 1-1. Lifted in the air to center field. Naquin is on the run, still going back, diving, can't get it. All the way to the wall. Here comes Iglesias rounding third. He will come around to score. And Victor Martinez with an RBI double.